everyone, welcome to our channel World of Social. Let's learn together. Class 6th History from NCERT books. Chapter 1 What, Where, How and When. In our first video, we had already discussed half of the chapter. In that video, we had discussed elements of history, how people used to live their life. And now we will discuss sources of history. Let's start. The name of India came from Indus, called Sindhu in Sanskrit. The Iranians and the Greeks came through the northwest about 2500 years ago. They called it Hindos and Indos. The land to east of river was called India. The name of Bharata was used for a group of people who lived in the northwest who are mentioned in Rig Veda also. There are several ways to know about past. Manuscripts. These were written by hand on palm leaf or on the specially prepared bark of a tree known as the birch, which grows in the Himalayas. Many of the manuscripts were written in Sanskrit, other in Prakrit, language used by the ordinary people that time, and Tamil. Many manuscripts were eaten by insects, some were destroyed, but many have survived and often in the temple or monasteries. These books dealt with all kinds of subjects like religious, lives of kings and queens, poems, epics, medicines, and science. Next, inscription. These were written on relatively hard surface such as stone or metal. Then coins. Depict legends and design which reflect the culture, tradition and languages that existed back in those days. Many coins from medieval period features dates and rulers' name of them. Archaeologist. The person who study about the past human activities from buildings, stones, paintings, sculptures and excavate to find tools, weapons, pots, pans, ornaments and coins. Historian and archaeologists are like detectives who use all these sources like clues to find out about our past. Use of our past to draw the attention to the facts that the past was different for different group of people. The lives of herders or farmers were different from kings and queens. People followed different practices and customs in different parts of country. We know a great deal about kings and the battles they fought because they keep record of their victories. The ordinary people such as hunters, fishing folk, gatherers, farmers and herders did not keep the record because they did not know how to read and write. The dates we probably mentioning nowadays are generally assigned to the birth of Jesus Christ, the founder of Christianity. BC stand for before Christ, used to indicate the dates by ordinary people. This time period took place before the birth of Jesus Christ. AD. AD stand for Anno Domini or after death, meaning in the year of the Lord. This time period took place after death of Jesus Christ. BCE. BCE stand for before Common Era. We use these terms because the Christian era is now used in the most countries. Completed the chapter. Hope you understood. Bye-bye. We'll meet you in the next video with the new chapter. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye everyone.